Molecular mass and mole concept. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. It is therefore the relative mass of a molecule expressed in atomic mass units. Example: the molecular mass of HNO3 is equal to the atomic mass of H plus the atomic mass of N plus 3 into the atomic mass of O, which is equal to 1 plus 14 plus 48, which equals 63 units. The formula unit mass of a substance is a sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. Example: formula unit NaCl. Its formula unit mass can be calculated as 1 into 23 plus 1 into 35.5, which equals 58.5 units. The number of particles, atoms, molecules, or ions present in 1 mole of any substance is fixed with a value of 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. This is an experimentally obtained value. This number is called Avogadro constant or Avogadro number, represented by N0, named in honor of the Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro. 1 mole of anything is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23.